Amazing and really useful tricks that everyone should learn. But unfortunately, only 2% of people know them. The last trick only rich people use, and they don't want you to know about it. If you have an old blender at home and you feel like it's not blending as well as it should, you don't need to throw it away to buy another one, let alone replace the blades. Because just like a kitchen knife, a blender also needs to be sharpened. To do that, just grab a piece of aluminum foil. Then cut it into several pieces and put them inside the blender. Once that's done, turn it on and let it run for a few minutes. The aluminum foil will sharpen the blades of the blender, making them much more effective at blending anything you need. Don't spill liquid when transferring it to another container. Next time, use a spoon. Just position the spoon like this, then pour the liquid. This will prevent mess and, most importantly, waste. If your power goes out and you don't have any candles or flashlights at home, don't worry. Just take a glass container and add 3 tablespoons of rice, a little bit of water, and 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. Finally, grab a cotton swab and cut off one of the tips. Then, place it in the center of the container. Now just light it up, and you'll have an emergency candle that will last for hours. If you ever need to store food in a plastic bag, don't just tie a knot, because that doesn't fully seal it, leaving the food exposed to moisture and insects. To store it safely and more efficiently, take a plastic bottle and cut off the top where the cap is. Then, take a heated iron and press the bottle against it to make the edges smooth. Once that's done, pass the opening of the plastic bag through the bottle's neck. Then, just screw the cap on. This way, your food will be completely sealed and safe. If you store food in plastic containers, you know how hard it is to get rid of the smell. Even after washing, it still lingers, and it's unpleasant. But fixing that is simple. Just put a little toothpaste inside the container. Then add some water and mix well. After that, just wash it as usual. You'll notice the smell disappears completely and without leaving any residue. If you have an old pair of scissors that don't cut anymore, you don't need to throw them away. See how these won't cut anything? They just chew up the plastic. But bringing the sharpness back is easy. Grab a lighter and run it along this part of the scissors. Do this motion a few times on both sides. Once that's done, test it out and see the difference. Look how it cuts perfectly again. A simple fix without spending anything. When traveling, don't leave your toothbrushes unprotected. They can get exposed to dirt and bacteria. All you need is a disposable glove like this. Place the toothbrushes in these compartments. This way, they'll stay well protected, and it'll also make organizing them easier. Now tell me, which of these tricks did you like the most, and which one did you not know about? Bye, and see you soon.